Ask 5 top AI apps what's safe to eat after your power dies, and 3 will hand you food poisoning, confidently. And this isn't a thought experiment. Right now, a heat wave is cooking the grid for 160 million Americans. 250,000 homes in New Jersey went dark in a single afternoon this month. So when the fridge stops humming, the app in your pocket quietly becomes your food safety advisor. We ran 5 of them through a real blackout. By the end, you'll know the one you can trust on the rules, the one that can actually plan your cooking, and why none of them can do both. Here's the setup. A single-family home in Central Florida. Day 2 of a tropical storm outage. Fridge and freezer dark for 8 hours. We fed the exact same 6-step emergency to 5 engines: ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, Claude, and Recipy. And I know what you're thinking, just Google it. But it's a blackout. Your phone's at 12%, the Wi-Fi's down, and you open the one app you actually trust. That's the real test. Not what's a good pasta, but the power's been out for hours, what do I do? First question, what's still safe to eat? The USDA rule is blunt. A fridge holds food safe for 4 hours. Then the meat, the eggs, the leftovers, they go in the trash. Now, you'd expect the biggest, smartest model to win this. It didn't. Perplexity did, for one boring reason. It was the only one that cited its source on every single claim. No swagger, no vibes, just here's the USDA page, here's the number. In an emergency, a citation isn't pedantic. It's the difference between advice and a guess. But here's the part that genuinely worried me. 3 of the 5, ChatGPT, Recipy, and Gemini on one run, started that 4-hour clock at the wrong moment. They counted from when you noticed the outage. The real rule counts from when the power actually failed. In a blackout that started while you slept, that gap is hours. The exact hours that decide whether the chicken is fine or a hospital trip. And the reason they miss it is deeper than a typo. A language model has no concept of the temperature danger zone. It's pattern matching words about food safety. It isn't reasoning about bacteria. The freezer's where it got worse. The math is simple if you know it. A full freezer holds safe for about 48 hours. A half-empty one for 24. Door shut the whole time. Every engine fumbled some piece of that, mixing up full and half, or forgetting the door rule that makes all of it work. And refreezing? You can only refreeze food that still has ice crystals. Miss that, and you're refreezing bacteria you already grew. Okay, the power's back. Now the question is, what to cook first? And I'll be honest, I went in expecting Recipy to sweep this whole test. It didn't. It flubbed that 4-hour clock like the others. But on this question, it won. And it won clean. Every other app gave a generic, cook the risky stuff first. Recipy actually read the user's pantry and named the specific items, the thawed chicken, the half-gallon of milk, in the order to cook them. That's the whole difference. A rule you have to apply yourself versus a plan for your kitchen. So line them all up. Here's the scorecard. Perplexity, the only one you can trust on the rules. Recipy, the only one that plans for your actual food. ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, each strong somewhere, shaky where it counts. But look at the last column, outage mode. It's red the whole way down. Not one of these 5 has a real emergency mode, a button that knows the power's out and does the work. Every AI cooking app in 2026 was built for a sunny Tuesday. None was built for the night the lights go out. And that gap is the whole opportunity. The pieces already exist. The USDA data, pantry-aware planning, safe substitutions. Somebody just has to wire them into an outage mode. That's the direction we're building Recipy. And yes, Recipy uses AI too. The difference is it's grounded in real, tested recipes. And when a recipe is AI generated, we label it plainly. Because here's the thing, other apps just run on your phone. Recipy runs your kitchen. The full 5-app breakdown is on the Recipy blog, link below. Next time your garden's drowning you in zucchini and tomatoes, and I put 5 AI apps on the glut. Subscribe, and I'll see you there.
Subscribe. Long-form explainers, weekday afternoons.